You're standing at a crossroads right now. Maybe it's choosing a major, a career path, whether to end a relationship or start something new, and you're paralyzed. Because what if you choose wrong? What if you mess up your entire future? I get it. I've been there. But here's what changed everything for me. The way you've been taught to make decisions is completely backwards. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact framework that removes the fear and gives you clarity. Let's go. Number 1, the clarity question. Most people make decisions by asking, what's the right choice? Wrong question. Because there is no right choice. There's only the choice that's right for you. Here's what you do instead. Ask yourself, which version of myself do I want to become? Not what looks good on paper, not what makes your parents happy, not what impresses people on Instagram. Which person do you actually want to be in 5 years? Write it down. Be specific. Once you know who you're becoming, decisions become obvious. Let me give you an example. 2 years ago, I had to choose between a safe internship and starting my own thing. Everyone said, take the internship. Secure, prestigious, the smart choice. But I asked myself, do I want to become someone who plays it safe or someone who builds something from nothing? The answer was clear. I chose the harder path, and it was the best decision I ever made. Not because it was easy, because it matched who I wanted to become. Your turn. Who do you want to be? That's your compass. Number 2, the 10-10-10 rule. Okay, you know who you want to become, but you're still scared. Because big decisions feel permanent, like you can't go back. Here's the truth. Very few decisions are actually permanent, and this framework will prove it. It's called the 10-10-10 rule, created by business writer Susie Welch. Ask yourself 3 questions. How will I feel about this decision in 10 minutes? How will I feel about it in 10 months? How will I feel about it in 10 years? This changes everything. Because suddenly you see the fear you feel right now, in 10 minutes you'll be fine. The embarrassment if it doesn't work, in 10 months nobody will remember. But in 10 years, you'll regret the chances you didn't take way more than the ones you did. Steve Jobs said it best. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. So trust that the dots will connect. Make the decision that excites you, that scares you a little, that makes you grow. Because regret from not trying hurts way more than regret from trying and failing. Number 3, the action step. Here's the final piece. Stop waiting for perfect certainty. It doesn't exist. You'll never have all the information. You'll never feel completely ready. Analysis paralysis is just fear in disguise. So here's what you do right now, today. Step 1, write down the decision you're facing. Step 2, ask yourself, which version of myself do I want to become? Step 3, run it through the 10-10-10 rule. Step 4, set a deadline. Give yourself 48 hours to decide. Not weeks, not months, 48 hours. Step 5, make the decision, then commit to it fully. No second guessing, no looking back. You decided, now you execute. Here's what nobody tells you. Confidence doesn't come before the decision. It comes after. You become confident by making decisions and following through, not the other way around. So stop waiting to feel ready. Make the call, take the leap. Your future self is waiting. Look, life-changing decisions are scary. They're supposed to be, because they actually change your life. But you're stronger than you think, and you're more capable than you know. The fact that you watched this video tells me you're ready. You want more. You want to grow. So do it. Make that decision, become that person. And 6 months from now, you'll look back and realize this was the moment everything shifted. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more real talk on building your best life. Drop a comment. What's the big decision you're facing right now? You've got this. Now go make it happen.